Hey, it's Nootsie. Welcome to my channel. Today we're going to do a super fun 15-minute cardio workout. High energy, low impact. We're not going to do a warm-up. We are going to take about 1,500 steps. So if you want to do a warm-up, I'll link below. Otherwise, let's just get started. Marching it out. We're just going to do a step and then keep adding it on and putting it all together. Here we go. Inhale. Shake it down. Take it up. Good. Last one. We're just going to touch our heels in front. Just going to touch, 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 touch. Now we're going to take those arms and throw them down. Good. 4 more. 3 more. 2 more. You got it. 1 more. March it out. Take it up. Shake it down. 1, 2, 3, 4. 1, 2, 3, 4. 1, 2, 3, 4. Last one, heels out. Throw it down. 4, 3, 2. Good job. Marching it out. Take it up. 1, 2, 3, 4. Good. 1, 2, 3, 4. Last one. Heels out. 1, 2, 3. March it out. Up. Up. All right, throw it down, throw it down, throw it down. 4, and 3, and 2, and 1. All right, now we're just gonna take it out, out, out. Good, you're gonna punch that arm out. Keep moving, good. Song's gonna speed up just a little bit here. Good, for 4 more. And 3 more. Good. 2 more. Last one from the top. Shake it down. There's 1. There's 2. Hup, hup, hup. There's 3. There's 4. Throw it down. Throw it down. Here we go. For 4. And 3. And 2. And take it to those lunges. Take it out. We'll do 8 and 7 and 6. Good. And 5 and 4 and 3 and 2. Last one from the top. March it out. Hup, 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 hup. 1, 2, 3, 4. 1, 2, 3, 4. There's number 3. Last one. Hup, 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 hup. Throw it down. You got it. Moving and grooving. There's 3 and 4. Lunge it out. Hup. For 4 and 3 and 2. From the top. Here we go. Take it up. Take it up. Take it up. Shake it down. Shake it down, shake it down, shake it down. Good. 1, 2, 3, 4. 1 more, just like that. Last one. Throw it down, throw it down, throw it down. Here we go. 3 more. 2 more. Last one. Lunge it out. Here we go. 3, 2, 1. Let's take it from the top. Last time. 1, 2, 3, 4. 1, 2, 3, 4. Number 3. Last one. Good job. Good job. Throw it down. Throw it down. Throw it down. 2, 3. Lunge it out. Lunge it out. Hand it out. 2, 3, 4. Now we're going to add the grapevine. It goes step, cross, step, together. Good job, good job. We can take the arms in front this time. You got it. Good. All right, last one from the top. Here we go. Take it up, take it up, take it up. Shake it down, shake it down, shake it down. Up. There's 2. And 3. You guessed it. We're going to throw it down, throw it down, throw it down. Good. There's 2. And 3. Lunge it out. Here we go. 2, 3, 4. Grapevine. Good. One more. From the top. Here we go. 1, 2, 3, 4. Good. 1, 2, 3, 4. I think this is number 4. Here we go. 1, 2, 3, 4. Here we go. Throw it down. 2, 3. Lunge it out. And 2. And 3. And 4. Grapevine. Good. There's 3. And 4. Take it up, shake it down. Here we go, here we go. Shake it down. Up, 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 up. Up. Last one. Throw it down. Good. All right, let's march it up. We're going to march it out. We're going to add another new step. It just goes heel and toe. Heel and toe. Heel and toe. You got it. 4 more. 1, 2, 3. Now we'll march it out for 4 and go to the other side. 1, 2, 3, 4. Heel and toe. Good. 4 more. 4, 3, 2. Last one from the top. Here we go. March it out. Shake it down. Up, 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 up. 1, 2, 3, 4. Number 3. Good job. 1, 2, 3, 4. Number 4. Throw it down. There's 3. Going back to that lunging it out. Here we go. Lunge. There's 2. And 3. And 4. Grapevine. Good. There's number 3. Number 4. Good job. Heel, toe. Heel, toe. Heel, toe. Last one. March it out for 4. 4, 3, 2, 1. Good. From the top. Here we go. 1, 2, 3, 4. Good job. There's number 3. You guessed it. Throw it down. Throw it down. Here we go. And 3. And 2. And 1. Lunge it out. 1, 2, 3, 4. Grapevine. Good job. Oh! Last one. Heel touch. 2. and 3, and 4. March it out. 4, 3, 2, 1. Heel and toe. Heel and toe. All right, now we're going to go shuffle, step it forward and back. Shuffle, step it forward and back. Shuffle, step it forward and back. Shuffle. Good. You got it. Oh! From the top. Here we go. We're not worrying about a thing. Take it up. Take it up. Throw it down. Throw it down. Good. All right, lunge it out. 2, 3, 4. Grapevine, here we go. This time, let's bring it up. There's 3. There's 4. Heel and toe, here we go. Heel. For 4, 3, 2, 1, march it out. 1, 2, 3, 4. Heel and toe for 4, 3, 2, 1. All right, shuffle. Good. All right, we're going to add on. We're just going to go up for 4 and clap, back for 4 and clap. 1, 2, 3, 4. Give it some attitude. All right, we're going to angle this way. Here we go. You got it. To the front. To there. Side. Front. Good. Angle. Angle. Forward. 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 All right, we're going to go right into throwing it down for 4. Here we go. 4, 3, 2. Good job. Lunge it out. Here we go. And 2. And 3. And 4. Grapevine. Circle those arms. Lift that knee. There's 2. That's 3. 4. Heel and toe. 3 more. You got it. 2 more. 1 more. Shuffle out for 4. Good. 2, 3, 4. Mamba. Forward and back. Good. Last one. All right. Take it up. To the side. Good. Give me some attitude. Good. You got it. Good job. Oh! Last one. We're going to go right to throwing it down. Here we go. 3, 4, lunge it out. 2, 3, 4, grapevine. Circle. All right, 1 more each side. Good job. All right, you did so good. 15 minutes, 1,500 steps. Deep breath in. And exhale. Inhale. And exhale. Just stand right here. Round. Pull through. Good. 1 more. All right, give yourself a big hand clap. You did such a good job. Thank you for joining me. If you liked it, will you give me a thumbs up and like and subscribe so you won't miss any of my videos. Thank you so much for joining me. Until next time, be blessed.